Okay, yeah, that's the rural part of Baglung, and here is only one house here, and it's very above the I think it's 2100 meters above the sea level. And here they are farming it, but I will show you beautiful view of Mount Manaslu, Annapurna. Wow, may look here. That's the Parva district. That's one. That is the Kushma. That's on the you may see about the that's one. That's one is Kushma. It's in Parvat, but it's in Baglung on the top. And look at the topography, landmark of Nepal. It's all greenery, and yeah. Wow, he has the carrot also. Yeah, you may see here he cultivated carrot. Wow, flowers also. Day two is being very memorable in lifetime, because it's for to be here it's difficult to come here because its roads are not quite easy. But from this area, look the view. You may enjoy. I think. What's there? Oh, he's coming over there. You may see it. It's not Mulavari. I think he's coming over there, and yeah, you may see the beauty of the hill. What is the name of this flower? No, this flower name. It's not Mahmali, I think. Wow. Oh, look at how big is it. Wow. That's the only thing about the Baglung. It's from all the tops you may see. I think this is Monaslu, maybe, if I'm not wrong. And that is Fishtail. Fishtail is that one. That one is Fishtail, and it's Annapurna range also. Whole is Annapurna range. Yeah, that is Annapurna range, and that one is you may see Fishtail, and I think that's Monaslu area or something else. Maybe, I think.